All right, here we go. I don't know if this is good or not, but definitely helping with post-workout soreness. Maybe sleeping at night, back pain, and I guess mind control. That's what I keep telling myself and Kevin. Kevin has been in for maybe 5 seconds and only his feet. So maybe I'm up to 46 seconds right now. I've been up to 2 minutes, so we'll see what happens. So pretty cool. I need a bigger space if I'm gonna be able to get deeper, but so far it's good. Maybe up to 1:10. What hurts the most is, well, if I move I can feel it, but I can feel it on my feet and the family jewels for sure. Other than that, it's all hunky-dory. But 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let's see. Then I get up and I have a towel warmer with a hot towel waiting for me. Look at that beautiful view. So minute and 50, so probably need to shave, but my goal is 2 minute and 30, so we'll see. We're at the 2 minute and 5 seconds mark, so yeah, I need to break more of the ice. As you can see behind me, that's all hard, so if I break more of the ice, because every day I have to break it, but if I break more, I should be able to get deeper on it. So 2:20, we push it to per minute. Water was at 34 degrees, 2 degrees higher than the last couple of days. I don't think I got in yesterday, so I'm 2:45 there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm almost to the 3 minute mark. Now we hit it. So